Want to be a good neighbor? Start with your landscaping. These 10 common yard features might be silently annoying the people next door. Here's what to watch for and how to fix it. 1. Smoke from fire pits. Fire pits are cozy until the smoke drifts into your neighbor's open window. It's not the fire that's the issue, it's poor placement or burning the wrong materials. Fix it by positioning fire pits carefully and burning clean, low-smoke wood. 2nd. Blinding motion, lights. Motion sensor lights are meant for security, but if they keep triggering all night, your neighbors might feel like they're living under a spotlight. Adjust the angle, sensitivity, and brightness to keep your yard safe without turning theirs into a stage. 3. Dirty or overflowing, water features. That pond might have started as a peaceful retreat, but if it's full of algae, bugs, or spills over during rainstorms, it's just a muddy mess. Clean it regularly or consider a dry rock bed or low-maintenance alternative. 4. Run-down yard, structures. An old shed, rusted swing set, or broken gazebo isn't charming. It's clutter. Either fix it up, tear it down, or screen it with plants to keep the view pleasant for everyone. 5. Noisy or neglected. Pools above ground pools often become loud summer hangouts or forgotten winter eyesores. Maintain them properly and consider fencing or landscaping to keep things tidy and private. 6. Concrete overload. Too much concrete in the front yard can make your property look more like a parking lot than a home. Soften it up with gravel, greenery, or permeable pavers that reduce runoff and look great. 7. Invasive plants. Fast-growing plants like bamboo might seem exotic, but they creep under fences and into your neighbor's yard, and plumbing. Stick to non-invasive species and plant away from shared borders. 8. Overgrown trees and hedges. That giant tree may be beautiful on your side, but not when it blocks sunlight or drops leaves into someone else's yard. Trim branches regularly and keep hedges neat to maintain boundaries and goodwill. 9. Early morning yard. Work leaf blowers, chainsaws, and lawnmowers before 8 a.m. are a surefire way to annoy the entire block. Stick to mid-morning or afternoon hours and use quieter tools when possible. 10. Pet waste. Left out. No one likes the smell or sight of dog poop left sitting in a yard. Scoop daily, use pet-friendly zones, and keep the space clean for everyone's sake. Your landscaping says a lot about you and how you care for your community. With just a few smart changes, you can turn an annoying yard into a peaceful, neighbor-approved oasis.